Okay. So now we'll go to third problem. Consider an RL series circuit. An RL series circuit. RL series circuit. For this RL series circuit, the input is given as I. Where R is equal to 2 ohm and L is equal to 2 millihenry. So find voltage across resistor and inductor. Voltage across resistor and inductor. So this is the given problem. 1, 2, and it is 3, 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. 2, 4. It has 5 volts magnitude in positive and -5 in negative side. Okay. So if this is the given input for this RL series circuit, and we need to find VR and VL. So what is the relation between V and I in a resistor? In a resistor, the voltage across resistor VR, is equal to I into R. Okay. And VL is equal to L into DI by dt. However, see, it has constant slope. Okay. Okay. So VR is equal to I into R. So this I is simply multiplying with some constant of 2. It's equal to I into 2. So therefore, at each and every point, you need to multiply with 2 to get VR, voltage across resistor. So this means the voltage across resistor VR is of similar kind, and it should be multiplied with 2. Okay, na? That is the positive peak. The positive peak is equal to 10. VR is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10 volts. Okay. In positive peak. Okay. The same way, VR is equal to 2 into -5 is equal to -10 volts in negative peak. So therefore, if you draw VR, okay, so it has positive peak, a peak of positive 10 volts. It is VR. Okay, and -10 volts. This is VR. That means for R, voltage across resistor, you just multiply with resistance value, because VR is equal to I into R. Now, you just calculate VL as we calculated earlier. So VL is equal to L into dI by dt. Here also again identify the linear portions 0 to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 8, 7 to 8. So 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. 1. There are 2 points here. This point is 0, 0, and it is 1, 5. 1, 5. 0, 0, and 1, 5. Here T1, I1, T2, I2, T2, I2. So from this, V is equal to L into I2 minus I1 by T2 minus T1. What is L? L is 2 millihenry. L is equal to 2 millihenry. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into I2 minus I1, 5 minus 0 by 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 0. Therefore, okay, so 2 into 5, this is correct, which is equal to 10 volts. It is equal to 10 volts. That is from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, V of t is equal to 10 volts. 10 volts. Okay. Now, come to 1 to 3. 1 less than or equal to t, less than or equal to 3. There are 2 points, 1, 5, and here 3, 5. 1, 5, and 3, 5. Here again, T1, I1, T2, I2. Then your V is equal to L into, again, I2 minus I1 by T2 minus T1. What is L? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Which is equal to 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Then you come to third linear portion from 3 to 5. Here it is 5, minus 5. 5, minus 5. Okay. In between 3 to 5, 3 less than or equal to t, less than or equal to 5. Okay. The 2 endpoints are 3, 5. Here 5, minus 5. 5, minus 5. Here call it as T1, I1, T2, I2, T2, I2. Then V is equal to L into I2 minus I1 by T2 minus T1. This gives what is L? 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into what is I2? Minus 5 into minus 5 minus of 5 by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, this gives minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 volts. Here you will get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this gets cancelled. You will get minus 10 volts. Minus 10 volts. Now, in a similar way, here from 5 to 7, it has constant slope. If you differentiate it, you can also get 0. You can also get 0. Okay. in the similar way here. Okay, from 5 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 7, you will get V of t is equal to 0 volts. 0 volts. Then you go to third last interval. Okay, 7 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 8. Here, the both two endpoints are this one 7 comma minus 5, 7 comma minus 5 and 8 comma 0, 8 comma 0, 7 comma minus 5, 8 comma 0, 8 comma 0. So T1 I1, T2 I2, T2 I2. So from this V of t is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 I2 minus I1, 0 minus of minus 5, 0 minus of minus 5 by T2 minus T1, 8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 7 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 3. This we can get 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 5 by 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This one gets cancelled. You will get again plus 10 volts. Plus 10 volts. 10 volts. Okay, now you identify the values. Between 0 to 1, it is constant value 10 volts. Okay, and 1 to 3, it is 0 volts, and 3 to 5, it is minus 10, 5 to 7, 0, plus 10, plus 10. All are constant slopes. Therefore, now you draw its waveform. This is 1, this is 3, and it is 5, it is 7, it is 8. 0, 1. From 0 to 1, it has positive 10 volts. Positive 10 volts. And from 1 to 3, it has got 0. Okay? 0. Here, 10 volts, and it is VL of t. This is VR of t and VL of t. And from 3 to 5, is minus 10. Minus 10 volts. And from 5 to 7, it is 0. 5 to 7, it is 0. And from 7 to 8, how much? Plus 10. 7 to 8 plus 10. Okay, you please both are same value. So this is the output of voltage across inductor, and this is the voltage across resistor. When you give this as input for RL series circuit. Okay, na? Okay, fine. So if you have any doubts, ask me.